Hi and welcome to this video. Now join me today in the Fiesta. I will have to apologise about the light that's coming round. It's so windy outside at the moment that you can't literally hear me talk while I'm out there, so I'm sat in the garage. So to start this video, what's the most annoying thing about this car being a Mk3 Fiesta? No, not that, we did that on another video. So what else is another most annoying thing about the Mk3 Fiesta? So for those people that own one, like myself, obviously, you're probably shouting at the screen, and of course it is that there's no cup holders. So obviously when you're going somewhere in the morning, you're going to a show, or if you're going to work, if you still use it as a daily, there is nowhere to put your coffee or travel mug or anything like that. In most modern cars, obviously you have the centre console, near the handbrake, where you have cup holders, like my Focus that has them. Now in the Fiesta, at the time when these were made, even the later ones, 95, the SIs, the XR2Is, never came with cup holders. Of course they came in other cars, but in Fiestas they were never really a thing, which is a shame because, like I say, now when we still want to use them, when we're going to shows, for example, there is nowhere to put your hot coffee, unless of course you have a passenger or you sit it between your legs, which is not a good idea if you've got a hot cup of coffee and you don't want to burn your legs basically, if it happens to spill. So I asked on the forums, you may have seen one or two posts, for the people that have Mk3 Fiestas, where do you put your cup holders? So I had one or two answers back. One or two people said that they hung it from the trim on the side, there we go, off this. Now yeah, that can work, but it seems pretty bouncy. Same with similar ideas, like with the air vent ones. Some people said they had those. I tried one of those, and the ones I tried anyway, they seemed a bit not very stable. And the last thing you want is when, as I say, you've got a big kind of Monster or hot coffee, is it going everywhere? Now I tried to have a look at this idea. So for the people that don't know, I do a little bit of 3D printing. I've done a little bit here and there. I like to design my own stuff, so here's an example of one or two things that I've done. The car silhouettes, as you can see now, and the lights, which look like this. So I kind of know my way around designing a few little bits. So basically I took a look at the dash and basically had to think, how can we incorporate a cup holder into this car? Now before I carry on, I know one or two people have mentioned, and I've seen as well, someone has designed an air vent cup holder, which you can get in other cars, and I think originally it was for the Mk3 Escort, and I think they've adapted it for the Mk3 Fiesta. Now yeah, this will work as well, but I think it's something daft like £70 for this. I will put the price on screen, but yeah, it's quite expensive for what it is. Obviously I wanted to see if I could make a simpler version. Now I had a look at the dash. I'll spin the camera around and I'll take you through my thinking. So again, you have to apologise for the light and my legs, but yeah, here we go. So yeah, a few people dangle them off there, which again, yeah, it's fine, but they don't feel that secure. So the pop-out air vent is, it comes from this side here, but again, they're rather expensive. So I had to go at trying to design my own air vent. Now the issue I had with this is, unless I designed the whole outer frame, which is quite hard to do, and that's a bit beyond my expertise, I had to go at trying to design something that fitted in this area here. And it clipped onto the two little bits, that obviously pivots on there. Now the issue with that is the distance between that and that is, I think it was 7.5 centimeters, and most of the cup holders that you see designed, the mechanism designs, are I think about 9.5, so they're basically too wide to fit in there. Now again, that's fine if you could design all this and you can get rid of that, make it a little bit bigger, but again, like I say, that's a bit too far of my knowledge, so I had to pass on that one. So of course you can get the ones that stick on the windscreen, but like with my phone holder here, it can get a little bit bouncy. So that was something that I decided to pass on. So next I'd look around to see where I could put one. Now some people obviously don't have this section here, so trying to design something that fitted in there, clipped onto there, which you can get stuff that clips on there, but I wanted to make something that everyone who had a Fiesta could potentially use. So to start off with, I had to go trying to design something. Basically, I took the design of a tape that went in there and then connected it to a cup holder, and it went in there fine. But the issue is, I did test it, that when you accelerate, I mean, let's face it, this is only 1.1, but when I drove it, it kind of slid out because there was nothing to hold it in place. And again, the last thing you want is hot coffee going everywhere. The same thing with the cigarette lighter. The design was basically the template of a cigarette lighter connected to a cup holder. Again, the fixture is okay, but it tended to turn. So not the best idea when you've got coffee in there. And to be fair, the rest of the dash is not really something that you could hook onto. You could put something on there, but if that ever gave way, you would end up with coffee everywhere. So the only other options were to see if a drink would fit in there, which I know some people do, or they clip it on there. But I wanted to try and find another alternative. Now, something I did see online is basically ones that clip onto here. So that's fine, using that type of design. I've seen a few templates for that. But for the people that are showing these types of cars, they want something that's quick release, if you like, that they can just throw in the glove box and take back to standard. They don't want to be left with travel cup holders dotted here, there and everywhere for people to look through the window and see, basically. So again, I wanted to think of something which you could use and basically hide really quick when you got there, without anyone noticing. And then I came up with a bit of an ingenious idea. Now, the first thing I did was try and take the design of a cup holder, which I've got here. Now, obviously this is a standard type of holder. Like I say, every time you 3D print, they don't always go to plan. That's one that I did, and obviously you could see it failed. So it's taken me a little bit of a while to do this, so I'd like your opinions on this. So basically this is what I came up with. So first of all, I changed the design just because I had a few failures to something a bit more simpler. So you can see there, it's just basically a circle with a cutout for a mug handle to go through if yours has one. Now, on the end of that is basically a flat piece like that. So let's see, before I show you, if you can work out where this would go. If you do, leave your comments down below before I show you and see if you get this. So where would you think this would go? So I took the idea of basically having someone in the passenger seat who's not in the passenger seat. And the way I did that is like this. So let's see if I can do it with one hand. So yeah, this section here, basically you lift that fabric up and slide on it, and basically it sits there like that, as if you've got someone holding it for you. So there we go. So it just sits in like that and basically stays in place like that. It doesn't really wiggle from side to side because it's fixed in by the seat. Yes, it is on a slight tilt. If I bring this down, it's not that flat, but unless your coffee is really full, without a lid, then it probably is going to go everywhere. But if you've got a travel mug, which I've got one down here, like this, with a type of lid on, so it's not going to spill everywhere. Go on, there we go. That just sits in there like that. This is basically an early design. I do plan to try and better it if I can, but I've done this video basically just to see what your opinions are on your ideas and what you think. But yeah, it is in there quite firm. Actually, now it's stuck, it's not moving at all now. So as I'm driving around, it's not moving, you know, I don't think it'd move that much where it would spill. It's in there pretty secure, it's not going to come out the top. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is basically trial it next few times I go out in this car, take a coffee and see how this works. But for now, it's pretty secure and it's not going to wobble everywhere. So yeah, basically that was my little idea on, you know, a design of a coffee cup. Now obviously I'm fully aware that, you know, coffee mugs and travel mugs all come in different sizes. I've just done this one to scale to fit, you know, a standard sort of one of these really. I know if you had a can or, you know, various different other things, it might not fit. That's something which I'm still working on. But as that design goes, I would like your opinion. Again, what have you done? How do you know, do you have a travel mug somewhere that's quick release, or do you just have it screwed into the dash somewhere? Yeah, let me know what you think. This is just me trying to design something which I guess is not really needed, but it's just something that's there if it is needed, let's say. But yeah, I'm not going to waffle on. Let me know what you think and I will see you in the next video.